We're going to move now to the new warnings from two leading health agencies about the coronavirus pandemic. The World Health Organization says the pandemic is accelerating inside the U.S. The CDC is also concerned, sending teams to 4 states to help address outbreaks there. And all Major League Baseball spring camps are temporarily closed after some athletes and staff tested positive for COVID-19. Michael George joins us with the latest from Belmont Park, where they will be racing horses today. Michael, good morning.
Jeff, good morning. Today, for the first time in Belmont Stakes history, the race will be held without a single fan in those stands. Officials say it's not just necessary, it's a sight we should get used to seeing as the coronavirus reaches record highs in some states. The Belmont Stakes is known as the third leg of the Triple Crown. But with the Kentucky Derby and Preakness postponed until the fall, this year the Belmont is first out of the gate. Belmont Park, which holds 90,000 fans, will be empty.
We were committed to running the Belmont Stakes. We were committed to running the Belmont Stakes in the month of June. Incredibly unusual, but in some ways, it's fitting for 2020.
It's a very different story in Talladega, Alabama, where 5,000 spectators will be on site to watch the Geico 500 race on Sunday. It's the first time NASCAR is allowing fans back in the stands in 2 months. But Major League Baseball is dealing with a setback after the Philadelphia Phillies announced 5 players and 3 staff in its Clearwater, Florida complex have tested positive for the coronavirus. According to USA Today, the league will temporarily shut down all spring training facilities in Florida and Arizona. On Friday, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis addressed the growing outbreak in his state.
You're starting to see more positives regardless of the number of tests, so that's something that we're obviously keeping an eye on.
Florida is one of a number of states that are seeing dramatic daily spikes in cases, along with Oklahoma, Texas, Arizona, and California. In an interview with CBS News Radio, Dr. Anthony Fauci said that's problematic.
Clearly, we have not succeeded in getting the public as a whole uniformly to respond in a way that is a sound scientific public health and medical situation. And it's unfortunate and it's frustrating.
But in a positive development, New York City, which had been the epicenter of the outbreak, is set to start phase 2 of its reopening on Monday, which includes outdoor dining, indoor retail, and salons.
It's clear that over the past 3 months, we have done the impossible.
In Governor Andrew Cuomo's final daily press briefing, Cuomo said New York's infection rate is below 1%. He credits New Yorkers' willingness to wear masks and the decision to wait to reopen.
Isn't that what we really showed over the past 111 days? That working together works. That the only way forward is if I protect you and you protect me.
And following New York's example, California and Oregon are now requiring masks be worn in public. Texas and Florida's governors say they won't issue similar orders. Michelle?
All right, Michael, thank you.